What's up? I'm super excited to release the screener. We are in beta. I do have a lot more that I want to get done for the screener, but I know you guys want access to it. So since it's working, I thought I would share it anyways. So to access the screener, it is right up here in the tab. You just click on screener beta. It loads a pre-default list. Again, it shows a lot of amazing things, but in general, it shows what's going on here. So let me give you a brief summary. You can search by recommendation. You can search the stock prices. So from a certain price to a certain price. Let's say I'm looking for lower price stocks. So I'm going for 1 to 100 and uptrend's about neutral. And then the accuracy shows how accurate the software is at predicting this stock. So again, we can say we want at least an 85%. That's a good one. Last change is the last day of the change. So for instance, if we're looking for great buys that have just became a great buy in the last 3 days, then we'll type in 3 here, but I'm just going to go 7 just to give me a better option. So this is going to be all the stocks that have become great buys in the last 7 days. That also meets this criteria. You can also select more, like the average hold time, the dividend yield, and whatever, and all these will default to higher. So if I put in 20, it's going to look for 20 or more. If I put in 1 for a 1% dividend yield, then it's going to look for a 1% or higher. I can also put in market cap and volume. So I'm going to click submit here, and it's going to give me, I have 71 searches from here, so I can see this. Also, if you want to see the other columns, you can see ticker, name, recommendation, price, trend, all these amazing things, the 52-week range, beta, dividend yields, volume, and all this great stuff. You can also sort by this. So if I click on this, it'll start sorting by that. So if you want to look for the cheapest price first, that is up to you. You can also see multiple pages as well. So that's a really cool feature here. So this, guys, is the stock screener. Again, if you for some reason run into any bugs, any issues, but mainly what I expect, if you have stuff that you want to see here, if that you want more of, please open up this chat box and let me know. This is in beta. Again, I have a lot of amazing things planned for this. Currently, it only searches US stocks, but next week, we should have the final screener out, and that will also include international stocks as well. All right, guys, I'm super excited to release this. For those who are like, where did StockFlix go, Austin? You can just go in here to your settings, and StockFlix is right there, so no need to worry about that. But yeah, guys, this is a really cool feature. I'm really excited to get it out here on this Saturday. Please start testing and let me know. This is definitely a great way to find stocks, right? I just searched for the great buys in the last 7 days in a certain price range, and look, I got 71 stocks. If I want to look more into a stock, I could just click here, and it takes me straight to the analyzer page for that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please enjoy and let me know your feedback and your responses and your thoughts and what you want to see more of, so I can improve and make it awesome for you. All right, guys, enjoy your weekend.